Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you reset the color management of your Windows PC. So let us suppose a situation where you have mistakenly set a color management that is not working as expected, and that is showing you some weird results, like your colors are not displaying properly and you want to get them in the highest possible quality and in the original format, as close to the original format as possible. So how are we going to fix that? That's what we're going to discuss in today's video. The process is pretty simple. Just right click on the start menu and go to the settings. Once the settings window is open, go to system. From system, the first option that you'll get is display. So scroll down and go to advanced display settings. In your case, if you have multiple displays, then select the display on which your color is not working properly. If it is not working properly in all of your displays, then select them one by one from this particular drop down. In my case, there is only one display, so I'm just going with display 1. Then go to this display information. There is an option that says display adapter properties for display 1. So if you have two displays, first go to display 1 and select its display adapter properties. Then for display 2, go to the second display, just select the second display and go to its display adapter properties. Okay, so just go to display adapter properties. Here what you need to do is go to this third option that says color management. Click on color management. Here you will find this color management dialog box with 3 options: devices, all profiles and advanced. Here also make sure your display 1 is selected, because there are different printers also that is configured in your system that would be available. So we want to configure the colors for our display, not for our printer. So make sure your display 1 is selected. Then go to advanced options. In the advanced option, make sure that the system default is selected in all these cases, as in my case. Then go to change system defaults. This kind of a system defaults dialog box will open, which is very similar to the color management that we got to get earlier. Here also make sure the device is the display 1, and in your case, if there are multiple devices and your monitor is not displayed, then just click on identify monitors and your monitor would have been identified and displayed over here. Then select your preferred monitor, go to advanced again, and here use this option that says use window display calibration. Once you have selected this, close all the windows. Then it will take around 15 to 20 minutes for the Windows PC to calibrate your display to its original colors. So this step you need to do for first display. Then restart your system and do the same step, that is calibrate the display for your second display. Then if you have more than 2 displays, similarly this is what you need to do. Just come to these places, calibrate your display, close all the windows, wait for 15 to 20 minutes till you get a notification or you see a change in the colors. Then restart your system and again move on to the second display. This is how you need to keep on doing this. Once you've done all these steps, then you will see that your display issue has been solved. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.